Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are talking about the January Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. Hope you all had a great holiday season. I am super excited and motivated and just like stirred up intentions about this year, and I'm really just ready for it. I hope you guys are too. I shared Simply Earth almost all of last year. I think I started in March or April. So that's when I was introduced to it and discovered it, and I have been I love it so much. I am all about Simply Earth. I love their quality of oils. I love this box, but you can just go on and buy oils too if you just know you want like a single oil. This is just a fun way to jump into oils, and it's a really good way to transition your house slowly, month by month, to a more non-toxic and clean living home, because they have recipes that you're going to use each month. Their recipes are seasonal, so like December was all about gift giving, so they had different recipes for like salts and different things that you can make and give as gifts. This month is, I think, self-care, if I remember reading the paper correctly. I haven't really jumped into this much at all yet, and I am very excited. Simply Earth, basically their goal is to get essential oils into your home, but also teach you how to use them in a very safe way. These recipes are formulated by aromatherapists, and all of the safety and all of the guidelines, I guess, that you would need and use it with using like other brands and stuff would be without. They just provide for you. They give you emails and so much just support and resource. So I love that about them. They're very down to earth, and all of their prices are just so reasonable and affordable. A lot better than some others that are on the market, just simply put. So here is the theme. Yes, is personal care, not self-care, but so the theme this month is personal care. Yeah, I'm opening it with you guys, so I'm gonna check it all out with you. This is, whoops, so you get 4 oils, usually 3 singles and a blend. Looks like that's what it is this month. These are the recipe cards, and then in the other side also are just like different things and ingredients that you'll need to make the recipes. So I'll show you the oils first. This one out. This is Citrus Burst. It's lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, and bergamot essential oil. These are all 15 milliliter bottles, which is nice. And I also like, they'll give you labels for all of your recipes too, and they come with little stickers to go on the top, which is actually really nice if you're traveling with oils and have them, or if you have them in a drawer. I don't know, it's a added bonus. I can't open this one. There we go. So Citrus Burst. I love all citrus oils. They're just like super fresh. Whew, this smells really good. Really, really good. If you like Citrus Fresh by Young Living, oh, this is like that times 10, but it doesn't have that minty, but it is just so fresh. It's lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, and bergamot, all of the best. Citruses, oh my gosh, this is the freshest, like best citrus oil I've ever smelled. This is so good. So enjoy a citrus burst to freshen, clean, and promote energy. Citrus oils are just awakening, and they're good in like a roller to use before you go to work, before you work out. You can put them in your fume with some peppermint. Just kind of invigorates and awakens you. They're also super great for cleaning. I always add lemon to my cleaning, orange for the extra scent boost, and kind of like a deodorizer, but all of these mixed together, I love this blend. I'll just set them here. Can you see? Okay. Next oil, Clary Sage. This is one of my favorite oils, probably top 5 essential oils. I use this every day. Clary Sage is a really good hormone support oil. I have a whole video on hormones and oils. If you are interested, I will link it below, or just comment if I forget. But this is another thing I love, is they have so much information on each bottle. So I'll try to zoom in. Hopefully you can see just like where it's from, how to use it, the scent, all of the things that you would usually be curious about that usually isn't on an essential oil bottle like this. So the plant part is from the leaves and flowers. If you are new to essential oils are just kind of extracted from any part of the plant, bark, leaf, pine needles, the flower, all parts of the plant, and just kind of concentrated into a tiny bottle, and 1 drop is super potent. So you want to take it easy and light on essential oils. But anyways, this is from the Leaves and Flowers. The name is Salvia sclaria. The aroma is herbaceous and floral, which is perfect to describe clary sage. And this one's from France, so it's cool to see where they come from. But I think it's very, I'm just so used to clary sage because I use it every day, but it is herbaceous, herby, floral, feminine. It smells really good. And I saw a recipe for perfume, so I'm sure that's what it's going to be used for, which I love. I love clary sage. Pine. Clary sage is one of those, I think there's like a handful of oils that I recommend just getting first. If you want me to help you at all with that, just let me know in the comments. But like lavender, frankincense, clary sage, cedarwood, those are all just like my top ones. This is pine. This is the next oil in the box. Pine is kind of a universal, just like outdoorsy pine scent. This one is from Needles and Twigs. It's from Bulgaria. Aroma evergreen and woody. Pine, I mean, we all know what pine smells like, but when you smell a bottle of essential oil pine, it is like potent and super fresh. I love pine, like to make, in my opinion, and a lot of others too, to make a perfect essential oil blend, whether you're making like a perfume or cologne roller or making a diffuser blend, you want something that's earthy, tree, like an earth oil, tree oil, and a floral oil. And this one is such a good to get like that tree, masculine kind of woodsy aroma in any scent or blend you're making. But anyways, this is pine. I'm excited to see what we're going to use it for in the box this month. And then the last oil is dark patchouli, which I'm not sure, and I'm going to do my research on what the difference is between dark patchouli and regular patchouli. But patchouli is another one of my all-time favorite oils, and it's not one that I recommend right away when you're starting with oils because a lot of people are not a fan. It's sometimes known as the dirty hippie oil. It smells very, what does this describe it as? Earthy and fruity. I would say earthy and floral. It is kind of like a very subdued floral, very like dark. It's not light and bright. It is, patchouli is you either love it or hate it, I feel like. I love it. So this is the label, just so you can see. And this one is from Indonesia. It is from the leaves of the plant. So I love learning more and like just doing like a deep dive into the single essential oils. So I do have a series on that if you're interested. I've done a lot of oils like lavender, blue tansy, I think frankincense, cedarwood. So I just do a whole video on one essential oil and break down everything about it and all of the uses that I know of at least. So make sure you look for those videos if you're interested in that and nerding out about essential oils. But anyways, these are the recipe cards, and they do have a box on their website that you can buy to kind of store all these in, because you will get collecting if you are subscribed to this recipe box. So the first one is New Year, New Me Diffuser Blend. Then next is an armpit detox mask. That is really cool. And this is really important because a lot of people go to switch to natural deodorants and they instantly are like, this doesn't work. You can't just make the switch. It's not an equivalent. You have to do an armpit detox. You have to, you're going to need to put it on more times during the day. It's not going to last 24 hours, or none that I've tried have anyway. And I don't mind that. It's worth the swap. Do your research on the metals and all the bad stuff in deodorant and what it's linked to. You can do research like that. A couple of my favorite places I'll just put in the description so I don't get too sidetracked. But I'm excited about this because this needs to be said. This needs, like, people need to know about the armpit detox mask. I use the bentonite clay currently, but I'm obviously going to try this one out too. Oh, it has kaolin clay. So next up is Fresh Natural Deodorant. So that goes along with the mask like I just explained, but this one's cool. I have never seen this deodorant in one of the recipes, so I'm excited. I have only used natural deodorant for probably 2 years now. It's a trial and error type of thing, and not every single one works for every single person, and different scents work with your body differently, so you have to experiment. Don't give up. Maybe I'll do a whole video on it. I don't know if you would be interested in that. Next is a winter contentment roll-on. Oh, this is very interesting. Winter is just such a hard time. summertime and the living's easy. Well, winter is not. So you have to be more intentional about the things you're doing for your health, for your happiness, for your just well-being. So I think that's important. Winter contentment, that is a good like intentional roller to be using during these months. At least in Michigan. I mean, if you're in Florida, it's a different story. So ignore that. If you are in a sunny state. Morning Glory body powder is next. This sounds cool. So it's clay, cornstarch, zinc oxide, almond oil, patchouli, citrus burst, clary sage, and a body poof. Okay, so this is what comes with that for that recipe. It's a body poof or body powder puff. Say that 5 times fast. So we're gonna make like a powder and then put it on like a perfumey type of. That's really interesting. I'm excited about that. Next is, or last is, Joy Solid Perfume. It sounds just right up my alley. So Joy Solid Perfume has beeswax, almond oil, clary sage, and citrus burst. These all look like fairly simple and easy to do recipes too. So the kaolin clay, this is what comes in the box for that recipe, and I think that was in the deodorant and the mask. Let me see. Yeah, so the detox mask is aloe vera, citrus burst, kaolin clay, and water. The deodorant is coconut oil, beeswax, pine, clary sage, cornstarch, or arrowroot powder. The kaolin clay, zinc oxide, which also comes in the box. And then it comes, oh, this is so cute. This is the tube that you put your deodorant in. I am currently using a deodorant in one of these kind of containers right now. It was from Target. And I will say it's a learning curve to use this. Oh, this one's different. Okay, so this one actually is better. And then you push it up from the bottom. So the lid on mine is this. So you're putting a big lid back on. I don't know. Anyways, it's kind of, you got to get used to it, but I love that it's zero plastic. So I love this tube and it's really cute, and they come with labels. That one's kind of already labeled, but everything else will have a label here. And stickers for the top of your bottles. This is for a roller. This is the deodorant, or what is that? Yeah, deodorant, another stick, perfume, the mask, the body powder, and then a sticker that says, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine." I love that. And then diffuser blend. So the diffuser blend is actually a recipe to make an essential oil blend in a bottle like this. So when you first join or sign up for this recipe box, you get a big bonus box, and it's literally a box like this big. Comes with like extra empty bottles, rollers, coconut oils, and all kinds of different things that you'll need to make recipes. So you'll need one of those empty bottles to make the diffuser blend, and then you get your label for it as well. Okay, so I'm gonna make these maybe today. I might do like a time lapse and put it in here. I like to do that just so you guys can see kind of how it goes down, how easy it is to make all the recipes, and how fun it is. I love doing it every month. It's like Christmas and it's my kind of thing. So if you think that you would enjoy this too, I highly recommend signing up, because my code TOREYNOORAFREE, which I'll put here and down below, gives you a $40 gift card back. So basically your first box is free. You're getting that back to use towards other products, and you get the big bonus box, which is all of your extras and just things you'll need to make recipes. The value for this box, so it's $39 recurring, like it's a monthly recipe box, and it changes. Like I said, it's seasonal each month. But the value this month is $181. That's crazy. It's always at least over $100, and sometimes close to $200 like this month. So that's really, really fun. I am most excited probably about everything. I try to just pick my favorite thing, but I am super into perfumes, natural perfumes. I'm super into clary sage and patchouli. So I love that those two came in this. And I'm ready to make the solid perfume, the body poof. Like, I love scents, and especially natural ones, obviously. And then the deodorant. I'm almost out of mine, and it's perfect timing, so I'm really excited about this box. Let me know if you have any questions. They also give 13% back to help end human trafficking. All of that and details about it is on their website, so you should check that out. I thought that was super cool. I don't know any other company that does that. The link and the code and everything you'll need will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.